So, you want to make more money as a life coach faster than ever? Well, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make and create their first 10K paydays for their life coaching healing businesses with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about how you can go out there and make more money quickly using profitable presentations faster than ever. We're specifically going to be going over how life coaches make money and why they make money to begin with. We're going to be talking about, right, what a profitable presentation is, how you can go out there in the next week, right, and run a profitable presentation and sign up multiple clients in the process. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, why do life coaches get paid, right, in the first place? And why are you going to be able to go out there as a life coach and be able to get someone to pay you their hard-earned money, right, so you can help them as a life coach to begin with? And we want to remember, right, that life coaches are going to work in three core markets. They're going to work in health, wealth, or relationships, and they're going to be able to help someone inside one of those three core markets, usually within a niche inside one of those core markets. Usually inside that niche, right, that niche, there's going to be a problem, and that problem inside that niche is going to be something that you can serve and something that you can help people solve. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we first know exactly which one of those three core markets we're going to serve, and we want to pick a perfect profitable niche to be able to do that. The next thing we want to make sure that we go out there and do is we want to make sure that we build a life coaching offer, right, that we are going to have that's going to be so irresistible that the clients and the prospects that see it are going to feel stupid at saying no to it. I have other videos here on my channel where you can go check out the Life Coach Launch Offer System, which is exactly what we teach in regards to creating an irresistible life coaching offer that your prospects and your future clients are going to feel absolutely stupid at saying no to. And last, and certainly not least in this piece, I want to make sure that you understand why you're going to be paid as a life coach, right? People are going to come to you and they're going to have a problem, right? You are going to either have learned or earned, right? Meaning that you have either solved the problem for yourself and you have a story around that, or you have helped someone else solve the problem, that exact same problem that they have, and you, right, have a specific way that you can go out there and help them solve the same problem. That way might be a system, it might be a thingy, it could be tangible, intangible, whatever it is, but you have a way that you can solve that problem for them and usually solve it a lot faster. So you gotta remember, they're here and they want to get here. The goal's here and they're here and you're meeting them here and you're saying, hey, I got a way that you can get here a lot faster, and I, right, will take your hard-earned money to help you get to where you want to get to a lot faster. And that right there is exactly why you are going to be paid as a life coach to begin with. All right, so now that you know specifically why life coaches are going to get paid and specifically why you're going to get paid as a life coach, let's now talk about how we can start going out there and preparing, right, to start making money really, really quickly. And the first thing we want to make sure that we do is we want to make sure that we have an offer in place, right, that we are going to be able to go out there and we're going to be able to sell, right? Obviously, as a coach, we need to make sure that we have an offer that people can buy from us. So if you don't have an offer, make sure to go to another one of my videos that I have on my channel. I have a few of them here that specifically break down how you can use what we classify as our irresistible life coach launch offer system and formula for you to be able to go out there and create an offer that is going to be irresistible and that your future clients are going to be running towards you, right, with their credit cards in hand, ready to pay you money, so you, right, can help them with the problem that they have. So ultimately, right, the first thing you want to do after we have this offer is we want to make sure that we go out there and we pick a date, right? We want to pick a date for this presentation. There's a couple reasons for this. One is, we want to make sure that we hold ourselves accountable. If we pick a date and we start telling people that we know, specifically people that look at us and they're like, hey, like this person knows what they're talking about. If we do not show up, right, we're going to show up because we told people we're going to show up. Well, then it's going to come and we're not going to be there. That's going to force us to show up. So we want to make sure that, we pick a date and then we obviously hold ourselves accountable to showing up on that date. And then we start letting everybody know in every way possible, right, exactly what we're doing, what we're planning on helping people with. And we start inviting people, right, to come to this profitable presentation that we're going to be putting together. And we're going to be talking about the profitable presentation here in this next segment. Before I go into this next segment where we start talking about the profitable presentation that you're going to be putting together so you can start signing up new life coaching clients really, really quickly, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. Next thing we want to do is, now that we know specifically why life coaches are going to be getting paid, and we specifically know what you need to do within this cash campaign that we just talked about, in regards to going out there and letting everybody know right now through every distribution channel possible, we then want to make sure that we go out there, right, and we create and we run a profitable presentation. So what is a profitable presentation? Well, a profitable presentation is going to be a way that you're going to be going out there and you're going to be presenting, right, how you can help people by actually helping people, and then at the end of that presentation, you're going to be offering to help them more. So ultimately, what we want to do and what's really important when it comes to a profitable presentation is we are actually going to be in front of the people who are looking to get our help, helping them through demonstration of how we can help them at that presentation, not just telling them and not just having someone else tell them. We're actually going to be doing it, which is going to make it a lot more effective. And when you're able to help people at that profitable presentation, they are going to be teed up to start wanting to get your help a lot more. All right, so now you know what a profitable presentation is. Let's talk about how you sign up people at your profitable presentation, right? So ultimately, you got to remember, people are coming to profitable presentations because you are saying that you at this profitable presentation is going to be able to help them. These profitable presentations can obviously be wrapped up in a lot of different ways. It can be a live event, it can be a virtual workshop, it can be a virtual masterclass, it can be an online summit, or it can be an online challenge, and it could also be a lot of other things as well. Those are the 4 and 5 really with the live event. If you're able to do that, those are the 4 and 5 ways that we typically run profitable presentations. And ultimately, when you're running these profitable presentations, you're going to be able, through whichever type of presentation you're running, going to be able to help people solve a problem and get a win at that profitable presentation. And ultimately, after they get that win, you're going to be having them prime and in a yes state of mind, to where they're going to be in their mind saying, whoa, I just got help with this, and I haven't been able to get help with this in however long, and they just helped me help this, usually in an hour or 90 minutes, and they're like, whoa. And then you're going to say, hey, if you like to getting this help, would you like to continue getting my help? And the truth of the matter is a lot of people are going to jump at that opportunity. And the best part about that is you're going to be able to do it every single week on autopilot, and you're not going to have to worry about having to schedule all of these hours and hours of sales calls to be able to pull this off. It's going to make this a lot easier, and it's going to make it a lot more efficient, so that when you sign up people at your profitable presentations, when you make an offer at the end of the presentation to help them more, you are going to be able to not have to worry about having to run around on one-on-one sales calls all the time, scrounging around hoping that people say yes to you. You're going to be able to attract people, build momentum every single week towards solving one singular problem, and you're going to be able to go out there and make an irresistible life coaching offer at the end of that profitable presentation, at the end of being able to demonstrate how you can help those people solve that problem, and you, my friend, are going to sign up multiple clients very, very quickly. All right, so the last piece of this video, which is really, really important, because it's one thing to run one profitable presentation, but after you run one successful profitable presentation, what's next? You want to make sure that you're running consistent profitable presentations, because when you're running consistent profitable presentations, you are going to be able to build momentum, and you are going to be able to be seen by a lot more people and have the opportunity to help a lot more people when you get them to come to that profitable presentation. So what we want to make sure that we're doing is we're scheduling our first profitable presentation, but we want to make sure after we do that profitable presentation, we do not stop there. We want to make sure that we consistently keep going, because that consistency is truly what's going to make us the most money, and not only in the long term, but in the pretty short term as well. Are you a life coach looking to sign up clients consistently? Well, I just came out with a brand new guide that goes over the exact life coach launch system that I mentioned here in this video. That's a 3-step selling system where life coaches are going out every single week and signing up new clients with profitable presentations. So you can just click on that link down there in the description, and you can grab this free, 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and hope you choose to win by going down there and clicking on that free link down there below, so you can grab your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. We'll see you in the next video.